Okay, this is a continuation from all the other videos. Part 284C3M1b7c8e13c9c2. So it's line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c2 Hematite crystal ILMENITE magnetic force UFO 5G Wow Seti. There's a whole series of these videos talking about the UFO Space Engine components. The last 50 or so videos, it's all formulas and stuff. So here's the alien radio signal, and this video is about the UFO Space Ship Engine components, crystals plus hematite plus magnetic force ideas. So this will have some formula ideas in it as well. So January 4th, 2013 was when I was originally working on it. Today is January the 8th. The keywords are from a previous video in line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c1a Dielectric, Graphite, Ionic, Polarization, UFO 5G Wow Seti, and line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c1b Rotating, Prism, Fluorosolar, Luxim formula, UFO 5G Wow Seti. So there was a formula in here, and then of course it's going to continue on and go into another formula, because that's what they do every couple of videos. My thoughts: the UFO Spaceship Engine. The crystal structures plus a stone that's magnetic. So this was my idea, adding a magnetic stone into the equation, and I thought of hematite. Okay, so forces can complement the quadrupole magnetic forces. Hematite came to mind, so I googled the two together to see what came up. So the keyword was hematite crystal lattice. I wanted to know, do we have that? Quotes from the diagrams and blogs. There's a hematite corundum ilmenite hematite structure from geol.ucsb.edu. I can't talk straight today. It's terrible. So keyword: ilmenite, iron, titanium oxide. So here's an illustration, which you would have seen in the video about line 22 on the Idea Girl Says YouTube channel. If you haven't watched it, take a look at it. Basically, it's showing what some of the formulas are bringing up for line 22, so you'll have a basic idea what's in line 22. And it's line 22f1fa19c3m. It's only that section of the line. Line 22 actually starts with line 22a. We're at line 22f right now. Okay, so that's what why there's so many letters and numbers in those line thingies. So figure 1, illustration of the hexagonal ordering of the metal cations in the ilmenite left and hematite right crystals. Ishikawa, 1985. That's from www.metphys.mat.ethc.ch. Okay. Here's the temperature, x fetio. I don't know what that is. Figure 2, magnetic and structural phase diagram of the ilmenite solid solution. Magnetic and structural properties of ilmenite solid solutions. The mineral phase Fe2O3 hematite and FeTiO3 ilmenite crystallize in the corundum structure. I should have made this smaller. There. In the corundum structure, where the metal cations form a hexagonal lattice. I gotta make it smaller. I can't. Sorry. Just let me fix this for a second. It says when the diagrams are too big, I can't make my data smaller. Oh, this is the one that's causing the problems here. That's how you just size them all. I'm going to make this just a wee bit smaller so we can fit it in the camera. There we go. That should fit. Okay. Makes it longer, but it fits better, right? See, now you can see the whole thing. And I'm running out of power anyway, so. Okay, so we'll probably have to do this video real quickly. So the mineral phases of hematite and ilmenite crystallize in the corundum structure, where the metal cations form a hexagonal lattice occupying 2/3 of the total volume of the crystal. Ilmenite is antiferromagnetic below 59 K, and hematite is canted ferromagnetic below 948 K, with the exchange of coupling perpendicular to the C-axis. Below the Morin transition of 260 K, it reorganizes so that the coupling lies along the C-axis. In ilmenite, the coupling is parallel to the C-axis. The solid solutions of these materials exhibit complex magnetic properties Okay, so I ran out of battery power, so this is part 2 of the exact same video, which I'll edit together. I'm just going to do the title. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c2 Hematite crystal ilmenite magnetic force UFO 5G Wow Seti, and it's part 284c3m1b7c8e13c9c2, and that's just for reference. So we were talking about this UFO formula, and let's go back down here. I made a little note. Okay, so I was talking about the magnetic and structural phase diagram of ilmenite solid solution before I got rudely interrupted by my battery. Okay, so below the Morin translation of 260K, it reorganizes so that the coupling lies along the C-axis. In ilmenite, the coupling is parallel to the C-axis. The solid solutions of these materials exhibit complex magnetic properties from ferromagnetic to antiferromagnetic. Spin glass states, figure 1 at the right, which I don't know where it is, and also have large band gaps, which can be tailored by adjusting the Fe3 plus configuration. In this project, the magnetic and electronic properties of compounds with will be studied. The investigations will be done for solid solutions in single crystals. Because of the combined semiconducting and magnetic properties, these compounds may be interesting for technological implementation in fields in spintronics, electronics, and magnetic sensing. It's a PhD thesis of Michalis Caralou since 2009. www.mat.eth.ch. Sorry about that. Tammy said more keywords research are going to be in our next video. Thanks for watching.